What's going on, guys? We're back in here for another video. This is where I'm at my camera card project. So I popped the rivets from this guy. So this is what's left. Real simple. And again, this would be cool if this was an actual slot car body that you could just clamp on a chassis, and it wouldn't be too hard to do it. It's just a matter of, do they think it's profitable to do it? Auto world. So, problem I had here, this piece here would fall out because it needed, see, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it rested on that. It's where it swiveled on. So I was thinking, well, maybe if I put something in here to cover that piece so it doesn't fall out. And I was thinking about something flat that would fit in. So this is where I got it from. It's at my packaging for my CPU that I purchased. I just cut that out and I put it in here so it stays. Doesn't fall out. And so the next step is to glue it onto here. That'll make it stay. I mean, this is what it will look like from the side view. Which I'm not worried about looks. It's more about the functionality of it. So that's where I'm at with that. So I'm about to glue that in there. All right, guys, this is the final product. I'm gonna leave it alone. I'm not gonna put anything chassis under it. I'm gonna let it make sure it's completely dry or cured, as whatever you want to call it. That's it, and it'll be fun to drive around. Real simple. Just make sure this still moves. Yeah. So there you have it. Give it up close. Hopefully the glue will hold. I think it will. Just leave it alone for a while. But anyways, guys, that's my final product. And I guess we just have to wait for the cheap cam to show up to see how good the picture quality is. And if it's not up to par, then I'll have to break down and get a GoPro Hero 5. Anyways, which I probably will get one anyway, for other purposes. But that's it for this video, guys. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.